So we will take scribes, export them as Markdown so it can pull the images, and then we basically use ClaudeCode or whatever agent to then create execution scripts. And then as the orchestrator uses the SOPs to basically conduct or invoke the execution scripts and we test them to make sure they work, then we turn them into skills. Open up a fresh browser tab with Scribe and log into a customer, because Zuper has kind of a wacky's login plan. Turn your Scribe on, turn your voice on so you can actually talk to it and explain what you're doing. So when you click Start Capture, then you click this.
Click in the company name box, enter company name, click Continue, click in the email address, click in password, click Login, click icon in corner, log out, log out. Always refresh when back to this page and log into new account.
Okay, so this is good. Now you're going to have to give it the password and tell it to store it as credentials. First of all, this went well because you got to show it like a couple examples of what could go wrong. You also had the button it has to click because it would say, what is this thing about updating? So it would actually run into that as a problem. So this is good. So now click Done Editing and now export. Markdown, copy it. Now go docs.new. Now paste that in there. Call it like Zuper login. Now go file download as Markdown. Store it in that folder that you have on your desktop.
So once you've logged in, you're going to come into settings, click on modules, into the jobs, or into the custom fields of the module you want. Jobs, jobs. Contacts, contacts. Job, job. Job fields. Field group is each one of these. Default is default. This group, non-existent. Create new.
Copy.
B, paste. Save. Field type, field type. Single line text, add box, copy name, insert name, save, copy name, add, insert, save. Anything else that you think that would need to be in there?
Nope, I think you did good. I can give you a good prompt. Now that I've watched it, I can give you a good prompt. So complete your capture, docs.new, export as Markdown, copy, paste, download as Markdown from the doc. And then export to Markdown, and then copy code, and then go to your plus new tab, docs.new. Now paste, now go file, download as Markdown, and then move that file into the folder. There we go. So now we can go back to your developer environment and let's give ClaudeCode a prompt. I want you to review a Markdown file of an SOP that I want you to turn into directives and executions. So we've gone through like getting it to the point where it now understands the job. It knows how to log in now, and it's building the add custom field Markdown. But this is essentially like kind of try and build them an environment where they should be able to say, go into a customer, like in this customer, we have inputs for Alan Bontrager, and we should be able to dump the thing that we need them to do. So that list of custom fields, and the goal is that they just say, invoke the skill of adding the custom fields, and it will open up the browser and go through and add all those custom fields.